Hey, I'm Dan with the Customer Education team here at Duda. In this video, we're reviewing product updates from the second quarter of 2021. This quarter, we're joined by experts from across the Duda team to review updates related to the App Store, local business schema, e-commerce, design flexibility, site management, and education. Now, let's dive into our first topic. Everett, the Duda App Store is expanding faster than ever. What's new and cool, and how do these new apps help customers?
Yeah, hey Dan. We have three apps we want to talk about. One is Termageddon, the next is Mobilo, and the following is Clickin'. So we'll start off with Termageddon. They are a policy generating application that allows you to protect yourselves and your clients from lawsuits and liabilities through three auto-generating policy types. The first is privacy policy, the second is terms of service, and the third is a disclaimer. Next is Mobilo. They are an automated customer engagement platform. And at the core of it, they provide you a AI engine, which they call Autopilot, that does two things. One is it grows your customer lists automatically by surfacing a contact information form as soon as they visit the site. One of the other cool features that they offer that kind of coincides with the Autopilot engine is the ability to have a loyalty program out of the box. So you can specify, you want to have returning customers receive a 5% coupon for any one of your products, and you just tell Autopilot, it'll take care of the rest and bring back those customers to use that discount. Lastly, we have Clickin'. Clickin' is a ad and shopping platform. They allow you to quickly and easily spin up Google search campaigns using their very, very intuitive editor. And lastly, we have one substantial update for one of our current applications, AudioEye. This has been a highly requested feature from a lot of our customers using the app, and that is the ability to customize the toolbar to your liking. That means you can do three things. One is you can now adjust the placement of the AudioEye icon on your site. Second is you can now change the color of the icon itself. And lastly, this has kind of been a trendy design theme that we've seen. The ability to choose a light or a dark theme to present to users. And yeah, those are the updates.
Awesome, thanks Everett. And guys, if it's been a while since you've checked out the Duda App Store, you're missing out on some really cool capabilities. Next, we have some improvements to local business schema. Inbar, can you give us a quick rundown?
Yeah, sure. So up until now, our local business schema included a closed set of fields that were recommended by Google. So now we've added all supported business types according to schema.org. We've added the price field, which is a recommended field for all business types. But the cool addition is the custom field. So I have this Duda site here of a bakery. And in my business info and schema section, I have selected the business type of bakery. And then when I go down here, I have all these additional schema fields, which are related specifically to bakery. So if I click Add Custom Field, I'll get more fields that are related specifically to bakery. But if I go and change my business type, let's say to like bed and breakfast, the custom fields that the editor will suggest to me are related specifically to bed and breakfast. Stuff like check-in time, checkout time, pets allowed, things that are only for this specific business type.
Very cool. This looks like a big win for all Duda sites.
Definitely.
Now, let's talk about e-commerce. There were a few updates to the e-commerce storefront. Nadia, can you give us an overview of the changes?
Sure. New online stores now have improved functionality, so it's easier to build great-looking, high-converting e-commerce websites for your clients. So what's new in the improved store? The store is made up of separate pages: homepage, category page, product, and checkout and cart page. These pages are connected to each other and to store data, and accessible via the e-commerce panel. With these new pages, you get three things: more design flexibility, fully customizable store homepage, and the ability to add Duda widgets to product and category pages, improved SEO capabilities, and finally, better performance. The new store homepage loads quickly for a better shopping experience.
Nice. That means faster performance, better SEO, and more design flexibility. Speaking of design flexibility, we had some pretty huge releases in this category. Mayan, Anat, what's new?
Yeah, so first we have Duda Flex, which is a new way to design templates and sections to create pixel-perfect responsive websites. And what's great about it is that you can work very efficiently. You design once and then only adjust. For example, you can have a design over 6 columns, and then in a click of a button, just change the grid layout to 4 columns. Also, you have more breakpoints. You design once on the main breakpoint, and Duda Flex does most of the heavy lifting for you. In addition, we have a lot of support materials to help you get started, so you can take your designs to the next level. For example, inside Flex Mode, there is the Learn panel that holds different kinds of tutorials under the same roof. So it's a great starting point. And you can also review the great content offered on Duda University. We have added the responsive site layout. Now you can control site design for a large desktop, small desktops, and tablets with layout that adjusts by breakpoint. This way, you can easily create a combination of flex and regular sections in your sites.
That's amazing. And Anat, what's going on?
Hi, Dan. This quarter, there are 4 new templates. The first one is the roofing company template. This bold template is great for all types of professional services company, from roofers to construction firms and building contractors. The next templates are the 3 new Duda Flex templates from the next generation editing capabilities. The first one is the creative agency template. This one-page template is perfect for clients with any type of creative agency. The second Duda Flex template is photographer portfolio. This template is excellent for clients with portfolios, so images can be placed anywhere on the screen. The third one from Duda Flex is the empty flex template, exactly as the empty template that we have on our editor. This template is a great starting point for our own pixel perfect design.
That's huge. Congratulations to the whole team. So far, we've talked about the App Store, local business schema, e-commerce, and design flexibility. Next up is site management. Jonathan, what's new?
Hi there. So we have a very interesting new feature in the site management, which is the form responses. In this section, you can see all the form responses for all of the forms within the site in one place, manage them, export them to CSV, and do any kind of operation. Until now, the form responses were accessed mainly via the editor itself under the site content, or were sent as emails each time a visitor submitted for a form response. And another interesting capability here is that if you have a client that you don't want to give them any kind of editing permission, they will have this form responses section available in the site overview.
Awesome. Sounds simple, but it doesn't get much more convenient than that. And last but not least, Ryan, what's new in the education world?
Yeah, thanks, Dan. Exciting new developments this quarter, including adding additional languages to our support portal. We've added German and French to support web pros around the world. And we're also working on Italian this quarter. So soon we'll have more resources for our customers in the EMEA region. Additionally, in Duda University, we've added courses and learning paths in Spanish and Portuguese as well to support our friends in the Latam region.
Yep, and we also have plenty of new courses available to help you learn these new features and more. That's a wrap for this quarter's updates, but things are changing fast. For the most up-to-date product updates, visit the Duda product blog.